T-Mobile Home Internet uses a gateway device that converts a 5G cellular signal into Wi-Fi for your home devices. If your Wi-Fi network name or SSID isn't appearing on your devices, it might be hidden. A hidden SSID means the router isn't broadcasting the network name, making it invisible to nearby devices. Another common cause is Wi-Fi channel interference. This happens when your Wi-Fi signal overlaps with other nearby networks or devices, like microwaves, causing connectivity problems. This is especially common in dense urban areas where many Wi-Fi networks are active, creating more opportunities for interference. To fix the Wi-Fi visibility issue, start by accessing your T-Mobile gateway settings. Open a web browser on a connected device and enter 192.168.12.1 in the address bar. Once logged in, go to the Wi-Fi or wireless settings section. Look for the SSID broadcasting option and make sure it's enabled by unchecking any Hide SSID box. This allows your network name to be visible to devices. Next, optimize your Wi-Fi channel. In the same settings, change the channel selection from automatic to manual. Try channels 1, 6, or 11 on the 2.4 GHz band, as these have less interference in most areas. If the problem continues, try a factory reset of your gateway. This will restore default settings, but you'll need to reconfigure your network afterward. Alternatively, use T-Mobile's Wi-Fi Optimizer tool in their mobile app. This automatically scans for channel conflicts and can resolve issues without manual changes. If you're still having trouble after these steps, contact T-Mobile customer support for further assistance.